I like this riff, so I think I'm gonna write a song with it. It's light and calm and sweet and at the same time upbeat. But I can't think of what to say, so I'll just write it anyway. But now I need a chorus. This would be perfect if only the verse fit. I don't know how I'd mash the two together. It's maybe a new tune called Once in a Blue Moon, about the chance of finding love. But it's already been done. There must be a million sad sack stories in the used bin. I don't really want to join them. This song will be the best song. Don't tell me I'm wrong. This song will be the best song, except it's not. So I'm gonna try again. Finger picking makes everything sound great. Everything I say sounds deep and sincere. Pull my finger and I fart. Watch it linger in your heart. See, I'm making lovely art, but it also kinda stinks. Who doesn't adore a waltz on the floor, followed up with a crumpet and tea? Oh right, this is Michigan that I am living in, not London in 1903. Come on, Woodward, get it together. Come on, Woodward, try to be clever. Don't stop now, just finish it, whatever it takes. I'm gonna try to grow a seed. I'm gonna try till my fingers bleed. I'm gonna try till I've used every chord. I'm gonna try till I get it right. I'm gonna try till the morning light. I'm gonna try until I get bored. Then I'm gonna finish it later. Looking down from 20,000 feet, the fields are spangled specks beneath my seat. As the mountains fade, the memories made, they all evaporate. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. The grand terrain is turning gray and cold. My comfy home is now threadbare and old. With a parachute, a quick reboot, can I escape my fate? Everything is blue. It's wheels down my hometown again. And everything's just as it had been. In the days before beneath my feet, everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. My callow heart was once so full of dreams, but somehow I got lost in the machine. How did I become the very one that I could never take? Everything is to see the endless stars. The universe no longer seems so large. Am I cursed to stay? Will I go gray? Just wondering what could be. Maybe I am blowing, going, gone, gone away.